The southern cassowary is famous as one of the world's most dangerous birds, but its voice is just as remarkable as its fearsome reputation. It produces some of the lowest pitch calls ever recorded in a bird, with booming notes that dip into infrasound levels near or below the range of human hearing. These deep vibrations can travel through dense rainforest, allowing cassowaries to communicate across thick vegetation. To someone nearby, the call is felt as much as it is heard, like the rumble of distant thunder. This strange adaptation may help them keep contact while moving through their solitary forested territories. Their powerful voice matches their imposing size, reinforcing the cassowary's presence even when hidden in the undergrowth. Hearing one of these subterranean calls is an eerie reminder of how primal the rainforest can be. Don't stop here. Click the link to uncover the complete list and our #1 pick.